Today we'll see the concept of mass versus weight. The difference between mass and weight. Though the concept looks very simple, it is a little bit more complicated when you come in solving IIT problems. In IIT problems, there are cases like there will be a confusion between mass and weight. If only if you consider the units, then only you will get a clear idea on how to take formulas and how to solve the problem. So this is a very important concept, and in ninth standard it will come in the chapter of gravitation. So now let us start. Mass and weight. We'll start with the first basic difference, the definition. It is the amount of matter contained in a body, whereas this is measure of gravitational force or gravitational pull on the body. So now let's see what is that. So amount of matter contained in a body means nothing but the composition of the body, atoms, molecules, so whatever it is, nothing but the amount of matter contained in a body, then that is said to be mass. If we are considering the gravitational force acting on the body, then that is said to be weight. As I've already told, gravitation, now nothing but F is equals to G M, capital M, small m by r square. Here G stands for universal gravitational constant, M stands for mass of earth, small m stands for mass of the body that we are taking. So when there is a force, the gravitational force acting on the body, and that measure can be given only with weight. So it is represented with small m or capital M, whereas this is denoted by W. It is a fundamental quantity, whereas this is a derived quantity. So what do you mean by fundamental and derived quantities? Now, fundamental quantity means it is independent of the other quantities. It does not depend on any other quantity, whereas weight depends. Derived means derived from fundamental quantities. It depends on mass. It depends on mass, as I've already told with the formula. It depends on mass. And we'll see the formula. Small m is equals to F by A. This is from Newton's second law. F is equals to ma. We'll get m is equals to F by A, or density is equals to mass by volume. From this I can write m is equals to rho into v, density into volume. Whereas what is the formula for this? Now nothing but W is equals to m into g. Mass into g is acceleration due to gravity. So this value will change from one place to the other. G value will be on earth will be 9.8 meter per second square, whereas it varies from one planet to the other. So here it is a constant. This value will never change. Whatever object that you are taking on earth will have the same mass as the same object when you take it on moon or any other planet, because it depends only on the matter, not on any other things. Whereas here it varies from one place to the other. As I've already told, it depends on the value g, acceleration value. If the acceleration due to gravity value changes, now with that the weight value also would change. Here it is a scalar. Scalar means have only magnitude. Mass will have only magnitude, which means mass can be written as 5 kg or 5 gram, nothing more than. Whereas here it is a vector. As I've already told, measure of gravitational force. Now, what is force? Vector quantity will have both magnitude and direction. So with that, if weight is a vector, which is a measure of force, now it is also having both magnitude and direction. And now here, units. Units will be kg, kilogram or gram. Whereas here, the units will be Newton. Sorry, you will be writing with small n, or this is SI dynes. So Newton or dyne. And next one, mass can be measured only with balance, like physical balance or pan balance. Whereas here, spring balance can be measured with scales, like spring balance. These are the major differences between mass and weight. So you have amount of matter contained in a body is called mass, whereas the gravitational force is called weight, denoted by capital M, or small m denoted by W. Now with that, we have one more difference where mass can never be zero. The value of mass will never go zero. Every body has its own mass, even when it is very small, even when it is very negligible amount also, you have to consider mass of an object. There is a mass that is present on it. Whereas here, weight can be zero. There is a possibility for weight to be zero only in gravity free space. If there is no gravity, like in outer space, we have no action of gravity on the object, right? So in those cases, we can say weight is zero, because if G value is zero, then weight is automatically zero. So these are the major differences between mass and weight. The concept that you have to know when you are entering the problems part, practicing section of IIT. So this mass and weight problems will come with dynamics when you are solving for problems of Newton's laws of motion, pulley constraints and all. Gravitational force very important, and for buoyancy, Archimedes principle. So you have to know the difference between mass and weight. So thank you.